This is definitely the worst wind we've seen so far. It's starting to tear the tops of the roofs off near us. We've seen vegetation that seems to be flung over the roof of the building where we are. Let me just let our cameraman give you a shot of this. It is quite extraordinary. And as you were hearing from Chad earlier, it's likely that the eye of the storm, its most intense part, is upon us now. This is the most ferocious we've seen. I'm leaning against this wall, frankly, because when I stand out here, we feel a little bit like we're kicked out.
Got all day.
You can taste the sea salt in your mouth, and that siren you may just be able to hear in the background was generated, we're told, by the hotel staff. 2 of them stayed behind and looked after the building, the rest evacuated. We're told that siren is generated by a drop in pressure. That's that kind of drop in pressure that causes a storm like this, particularly when it's over warmer water. The warmth of the water provides the energy that creates winds like this, and it is just extraordinary. I've never seen anything like this. The ferocity powering through. It's torn away the awnings down here that were holding up quite well in the past hours. And now it's, pulling out the trees too. Whoa! Alison, Chris, I guess you can probably see that on our camera. The lens is holding up in the humidity. The most ferocious gust we've seen so far. We are not, at this point, I'm looking down, seeing a flood surge, but you can feel the sea is really being thrown at us here. We're inside a concrete structure, holding up very well, as is our signal on our satellite phone, which is remarkable, frankly, but look at that wind.